Good day, students. So how are you? How are you all doing? Good? Oh, and what about reading? You must have completed? Yes? Okay. And after the reading comes question answers. Okay, come question answers, and I'm sure. So after that reading, you must have completed those question answers also. And page 10, there are some questions on page 10. Like for example, why did the king want to know the answers to 3 questions? You've got the answer? Yes? Give the answer. He thought he would never fail. It's given on the first page. He would never fail. So you write it down in your fair copy. Next is also easy. You have to just choose whichever is correct. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. And on the same page, you'll find the answer. Why did he send messengers? To announce reward for those who could answer the questions. Okay, so this is over of page 10. Now we come to the next page, that is page 14. Again, first exercise is of fill in the blanks, but below that there is a box. On page 14, there is a box below. So you have to choose the correct answers from this. Like for example, let us check. Many wise men answered the questions. Number 1, but the answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Children, I am discussing because I think that, and if you have not gone through this lesson, then please stop this video and first go through the second video of mine and read the lesson, and then after that you do the answers on your write the answers on your own, and then check and you through this video. Okay. Second question. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. The last one, you must have chosen to help the king act at the right time. Third question. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable to follow it strictly, isn't it? Okay. Fourth, the king requested the hermit. Fourth question, to answer his 3 questions. And the last, the king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound. The first in the box, but the bleeding would not stop. So these were the fill in the blanks. Now we come to the question answers. Let us just below that working with the text. The first question, why was the king advised to go to the magician? You'll find this on second page. That means second page and paragraph. Not second page. I'm sorry. Yes, second page. Second means 8th page. 8. Page 8 and second paragraph. Yes. Because according to them, only magicians could tell future, and it was necessary for him to know the future to take the right decision. So this is given in second paragraph on page 8. Para 2. Okay, so you refer to it once again and you write the answer. The first question's answer. Okay. Second question. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Again, same page, page 8. Answer number 2. It's again given on the same page, and it is paragraph 3. Paragraph 3. So the whole paragraph, I think. According to some, counselors were better, whereas others chose priests. There were others who chose doctors. Okay, some said soldiers were necessary. So this whole short paragraph is the answer to this question. Page 8 and paragraph 3. Para 3. You'll find the answer. You have to write these answers in your notebooks. Very important, because writing practice is important. Then third question. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? So again on the same page. Okay. Paragraph 4. Just below that. Fourth paragraph, the whole paragraph is the answer. So to the third question, some said science was important, work, and others chose fighting. Some others said religious worship was important. So third, answer number 3. Same page, page 8 and paragraph 4. Okay, paragraph 4, you'll get the answer. Next, did the wise men win the reward? You all know the answer? Yes, they did not win. Why? Because the answers were so varied or so different, and the king was not satisfied. He was not happy with the answers. So they did not win any award. Now, fifth question on next page, page 15. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Now, this fifth questions, you will find the answer on page 11. Answer number 5th, page 11. Now we come to page 11 and let us look at the paragraph. I think it's the first paragraph, page 11. The first paragraph. They removed his clothing, found a large wound on his stomach, the king washed and covered it. Paragraph 1 and also 2. Okay, when the bleeding did not stop, they again redressed it, and then the king, both of them took him inside to the hut, and they laid him down on the bed, and the king slept on the floor. So this answer for the fourth. Is it fourth? I'm sorry, this is the fifth answer. Answer number 5th. This is 5th. Answer number 5th. I'm sorry, this is answer number 5th. Fourth was, did the king give award? So no, he did not give award. He was not happy with the answers. They were so different. And 5th is on page 11. Both of king and the sage, what they did with the wounded man. They washed and removed his clothing, and they washed the wound and they dressed, and it did not stop. Then again redressed it, and then what the king did, fresh water he took, and doing it fast because you have to find the answers and write them down. Okay, children. It is in paragraph 1 and 2 on page 11. Now 6th question. Who was the bearded man? He was the, yes, enemy of the king. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Because and don't start the answer with because. I am doing it, but you don't do, because this is English language. He asked for king's forgiveness because he had come to kill the king, but the king saved his life. So this is the answer. Okay, you write in your own words. 7th question. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? What did he do to show his forgiveness? Now on page 12, open page 12. And page 12, paragraph 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th paragraph. So I am writing here answer number 7. Answer number 7, page 12. Page 12 and you paragraph. Which is the paragraph, children? 5th, isn't it? Yes, 5th paragraph. Page 12, 5th paragraph. And find out the answer. He not only forgave him, but he promised to send his servants to take care of him, his own doctor, and promised to give back his property. So this is the answer. You have to write it down from paragraph 5. Then let us look at the last question. What were the hermit's answers to the 3 questions? Now you will get this on page 13, the last 2 paragraphs. The question number 8. Question number 8, children. You find the first part on page 13. Yes, and the last 2 paragraphs. Last 2 para. You have to read and then write the answer. Now it has different parts. The next part is write each answer separately. Okay, which answer do you like most and why? So you have to choose, children. Which one according to you? Which one do you think this present is important, which sage told? Okay, or the person with whom you are is important. or the word which you have in hand is more important. You can give example from the king, or if you like all the three, it is your choice. Then you can write all the three. Okay, though in the question it is only one, but according to you, you can even modify it where I feel all the three are important. Okay, so this is for you. And apart from this, you can also do, because we'll give one more gap so that you complete all these answers. So we'll give 2 days gap. Complete all these question answers. 2 days gap you will be getting, and then write the writing part. First writing. Okay, try and complete the writing on page 16. Will you do this? Page 16. Writing. First one. Okay, first question of writing. First question. That is, and let it be not only narration, but let it be a diary entry. In a diary entry, the wise man answered my question. The king is talking to himself in a diary. Let's change the question. Okay, in a diary entry, you can use these sentences given here. The king is talking to himself. Dear diary, the wise man answered my questions, but I was not satisfied with their answers. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit, and then continue writing. So, and in diary entry, children, remember the format. Diary entry, and then date on one side, date, day, and time. Okay, you can imagine any day, any time, but you have to use this format in diaries. I hope you remember. Date, most important, then day, time. These two you have to write, and then you can talk to it like a friend. Dear diary, and you can use these sentences here, and then continue and complete this. So I have given you these this writing and the question answers to complete the question answers. Okay, complete all these, because writing helps you in improving your language, in your expression. Okay, children, that's for all now.